Hello everyone, welcome to the Wiretrap YouTube channel. In this video, we hope to list down the top 10 futuristic innovations by 2050. The future is coming, and sooner than people think. In 2050, the world will look dramatically different due to significant technological advancements. These emerging technologies will change how we live and offer new innovative projects. In this video, we hope to list down the top 10 futuristic innovations by 2050. Number 10. Brain-reading robots. A brain-reading robot is an advanced robotic technology, which is designed to read the brain by analyzing changes in electric signals. Therefore, it is no longer science fiction. The use of brain-reading technology has improved hugely in recent years. The electric activity in a human brain can be tracked and can help provide valuable information about what a person is thinking, which is why it's an important technology to develop, because it would not only help set up the proper expectations for consumers but would also help you design better marketing strategies. The primary control system for mind readers is the brain-computer interface. Conceptually based on electroencephalography, this interface measures the electrical activity of the brain via EEG. Based on certain measurable patterns in the oscillating waveforms that are produced when neurons communicate through electric impulses, a computer brain system can read thought patterns and understand previously undiscovered information about an individual's subconscious as well as their conscious thoughts. Therefore, it is no longer a science fiction trope. The use of brain reading technology is improving hugely in recent years, and it will be awesome future innovation by 2050. Number 9. Bionic eyes. Bionic eye, an electrical prosthesis surgically implanted into a human eye in order to allow for the transduction of light in people who have sustained severe damage to the retina. In 2050, artificial retinas and other visual prostheses can match the visual quality of a real human eye. It contains electrode arrays with hundreds of megapixels in full color along with wireless capabilities. This is a substantial step up from devices in earlier decades that provided black and white and highly pixelated views of the world. These enhancements include embedded cameras, Wi-Fi, augmented reality, night vision, thermal vision, zoom capability, and so on. When someone is using these devices, it's possible to wirelessly communicate with them using text overlaid in their vision. Scientists have calculated that our eyes contain photoreceptors equivalent to a 576 megapixel digital camera. Further improvements may lead to superhuman vision in the 2050s and beyond as wonderful innovation. Number 8. Energy storing bricks. Energy can be stored in various mediums like hydroelectric dams, rechargeable batteries and thermal storage, including molten salts, which can efficiently store and release very large quantities of heat energy. But with the rapid growth of technology, energy can now be stored in bricks as well. These smart bricks are charged to store electricity, sort of a battery, till needed for powering devices as a way to store energy in the red bricks that are used to build houses. Researchers led by Washington University in St. Louis, in Missouri, U.S. have developed this method that can turn cheap and widely available building material into smart bricks. Although the research is still in the proof of concept stage, the scientists claim that walls made of these bricks could store a substantial amount of energy and can be recharged hundreds of thousands of times within an hour in recent future. Therefore, although this technology is still in its initial phases, in the future, it can store substantial amounts of energy, and it will be awesome future innovation by 2050. Number 7. Sweat-powered smartwatches. Have you ever thought of wearing sweat-powered smartwatches? And imagine your wearable solution could be charged automatically by using your sweat. Yes, you sweat and another energy source in near future, by proving that technology has always been intimately linked to the human body. The smartwatches that are assigned the task of keeping our daily health record and tracking our calories and sweat burnout, will now be automatically charged by our sweat. The engineers at the University of Glasgow have developed a new type of smart wearable that stores energy with sweat. It replaces the electrolytes found in conventional batteries and can be fully charged with just 20 microliters of fluid. It can be fully charged with as little as 20 microliters of fluid and is robust enough to survive 4,000 cycles of the types of fluxes and bends it might encounter in use. Therefore, it is no longer hope, and in the 2050s, it will be a wonderful innovation. Number 6. Human-like robots. A humanoid robot is similar to a human body in shape. These robots are professional service robots built for interaction with human tools and customer service. In 2050, robots have the ability to master real-world environments and an increasingly diverse range of 3D objects. These humanoid robots are also used for inspection and maintenance. Although earlier robots were limited to fixed movements, this new generation has more dexterity and flexibility. They can adapt to new situations and solve more and more dynamic problems. These robots can identify objects, situations, and the actions they should perform next in near real time, which enables a more human-like response. In addition to cognitive abilities, these more advanced robots have extremely lifelike appearances, facial expressions, and body language. Thanks to continuous emotional feedback from users and techniques such as motion capture and generative adversarial networks, these robots almost look and act like real people. Therefore, it is no longer science fiction. The use of this technology is improving hugely in recent years, and it will be awesome future innovation by 2050. Number 5. Digital twins. A digital twin is a dynamic virtual copy of a physical asset, process, system or environment that looks like and behaves identically to its real-world counterpart. Essentially, digital twins integrate artificial intelligence, machine learning, and software analytics to create a digital replica of physical assets that updates and changes as its physical counterpart changes. Digital twins provide a variety of information throughout an object's life cycle, and can even help when testing new functionalities of a physical object. Digital twins are created by importing conceptual models or scanning physical entities in the real world to visualize and analyze them in combination with enterprise and Internet of Things data. The use of digital twins enables more effective research and design of products, with an abundance of data created about likely performance outcomes. A digital twin offers long-term purpose and value to the sustainability of the built environment, even beyond our global 2050 goals with the creation of connected cities, and connected humans. Number 4. Hyperloop. Think of how an experience that well-traveled and eco-responsible would be if you could economically zip between cities at speeds exceeding 700 miles per hour in a comfortable without going to the airport. That's the promise of the Hyperloop, which is a proposed high-speed transportation system for both public and goods transport. For decades, the Hyperloop has been the stuff of science fiction. But advances in technology with existing transit modes mean the Hyperloop has gone from fantasy to likely fruition. The term was popularized by Elon Musk to describe a modern project based on the VAC train concept. His Hyperloop project consists of an underground low-pressure tube in which capsules transporting passengers and/or goods move. Beyond removing air from the tube, friction on the ground is also removed, as the capsules are lifted by an electromagnetic lift system. The capsules are propelled by a magnetic field created by linear induction motors placed at regular intervals inside the tubes. Therefore, quite simply, more people are becoming invested in making the Hyperloop a reality every day as one of the best inventions. Number 3. Flying autonomous vehicles. Are flying cars closer than you think? Yes, the era of the flying vehicle is close. Flying passenger cars, currently being developed in several countries, will come into commercial use by 2030, freeing up transport lanes for heavy haulage. Auto Trader is working to reveal its predictions for what the 2050 car will look like, predicting the technological developments and social functions of cars in the future. Auto Trader's Cars of the Future Design and Full report predicts that by 2050 cars will be fully autonomous and electric, with advanced customization technologies. Auto Trader's 2050 concept car is a fully electric and autonomous vehicle that provides passengers with a spacious interior that's geared up for leisure activities, as well as offering a range of technologies that allow passengers to customize their driving experience. Featuring digital paint, the car allows passengers to change the color and style of the car with the tap of an app. With advances in technology, this invention could be widely available as early as the year 2050. Number 2. Space tourism. The idea of space tourism feels like something out of a futuristic sci-fi film, but we are not too far away from a future where anyone can travel to outer space. Experts say that in just a matter of years, this industry could change the world, much like other NASA inventions, including real-life robots. The future of space tourism is a topic that is constantly evolving. With the advancement of technology, we can expect new and exciting developments in the field. In 2050, space tourism will be a vast industry, and multiple pinwheel space stations or other concepts that use rotating sections to simulate gravity could exist in Earth's orbit. These stations will serve as gateways, allowing for regular trips to the Moon and other locations in deep space.
Number 1.
Artificial general intelligence. By 2050, major tech companies have already launched official projects to develop the world's first artificial general intelligence, and it is not only a common topic in science fiction. Furthermore, artificial general intelligence is the ability of an intelligent agent to understand or learn any intellectual task that a human being can. A deeper understanding of the human brain and the understanding of existence itself have allowed the reverse engineering of complex cognitive models that resemble those of a real human mind. Artificial general intelligence models and advancements in quantum computing have given robots the ability to fully reconstruct the world around them. According to scientists and engineers, artificial general intelligence can figure out to model using the following factors, such as intentional creativity, strategic thinking, emotions, causal reasoning, common sense, counterfactual thinking, and consciousness. This development is projected to lead to technologies that are indistinguishable from magic. By 2050, robotic prosthetics may be stronger and more advanced than our own biological ones, and they will be controlled by our minds. If you enjoyed this video, it would be amazing if you like and subscribe. Also, remember to check out comments and join the conversations. Thanks for watching, everyone.